African animals.
Elephant.
Elephants are the largest land animals in the world today. Fun fact, the oldest elephant recorded lived to be 82 years old. The 12th August every year has been designated World Elephant Day.
Baboon.
Baboons are a large type of monkey known for being rowdy, intelligent and sometimes quite funny. Fun fact, baboons use 30 different sounds to communicate with each other, including grunts, screams and barks.
Zebra.
Every zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes, which work as an excellent camouflage for the animals.
Camel.
Camels can live to 50 years. Camels' spit is a defense mechanism. Camels can even eat cacti.
Giraffe.
Giraffes are tall. They are the world's tallest mammal, growing up to 6 meters high, with very long necks and legs.
Hippo.
Hippos can breathe for up to 5 minutes at a time underwater. They can sleep underwater, too, as they have an automatic reflex that bobs them up to the surface to take a breath without waking up.
Lion.
Lions are the kings of the animal kingdom. The male lions with their manes look so majestic.
Lioness. Chetah.
Did you know that the cheetah is the fastest animal on Earth?
Gazelle.
Gazelles are a small antelope mostly found in Africa.
Hyena.
These large, dog-like creatures certainly make a noise that sounds like laughter, and they often do this to let other hyenas know that they've found some food.
Meerkat.
Meerkats like to eat insects but will also feed on small animals, lizards, eggs, truffles and birds.
Monkey.
Some kinds of monkeys can be kept as pets, and all monkeys are thought to be intelligent.
Ostrich.
Ostriches are the largest bird in the world. They can fly, but they can run very fast, up to 40 miles per hour.
Rhino.
Rhinoceroses are the largest land mammal after the elephant.
Wartrog.
The warthog has a very long, elongated snout, designed for rooting around in the ground for roots and bulbs.
Wildebeest.
Wildebeests are a large mammal that travel huge distances across Africa every year.
African penguin.
African penguins are excellent divers and feed mainly on fish and squid.
leopard, serval, bushbaby, fennec fox, jackal, okapi,